If you look very, very carefully, or if that tree isn't blocking it, that is the Cherokee Casino, I think. Nothing else should be that big. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good morning from Bartram Trailhead in Franklin. Good morning from a secret secondary location. Greetings from Paris Mountain State Park. Hi guys, I'm gonna go in this tunnel. Good morning from Pet Park from Trailhead in Great Smoky Mountain National Park. Let's go ahead and hit the trailhead. Good morning from the Blue Ridge Parkway in North Carolina. I'm here today at the Waterrock Knob Trailhead. I have been here before. I've done a video here before. I also came here prior to my weight loss and made it about 10 paces up the trail. It's pretty challenging, but it's pretty short, and the views should be worth it, provided there is not complete cloud cover, as there was last time. Let's go ahead and hit the trail. And this is as far as I made it the first time. We can still see the parking lot, very much so. Come a long way. So about halfway up, there's a lovely little overlook. My daughter calls it her castle. A 3-year-old has made it up this far. Oh. And yet her father and I couldn't make it up when we first got here. I guess this place is sort of recording time lapse of all the our hiking capabilities, I guess. What a gorgeous spot to stop and take a break. If you look very, very carefully, or if that tree isn't blocking it, that is the Cherokee Casino, I think. Nothing else should be that big. Yeah, I've already been passed on the way up and down by the same person, if you have any idea how slow I'm moving this morning. But that's okay, because it is finally warming up. It's June, I got to take my winter wear off. It's 48 degrees when I got here this morning, slowly warming up. Ooh. Shouldn't be too much farther. Caution. Dangerous trail washout ahead. Axel, I think that was here last time I was here. It has been raining a lot though, so it wouldn't hurt to be cautious. Remember this fella right here. This trail winding around it. leveling out. I think I might be in the clearing that I got to the first time. And then I kept looking around for a trail. Where'd it go? Must keep going. I can't be there yet. Can't see anything. And yet, here I was. There's just a little bit more down this way. And then a big drop. Here she is. Welcome to Waterrock Knob. One of the best views off the Blue Ridge Parkway. Not the easiest to get to, but well worth it. I haven't actually seen this before except in pictures because insert here. You look down there, you can see the Blue Ridge Parkway winding around. There it is. See another spot of the parkway winding down there. All right, third time's the charm. Made it up on a clear day to one of the most popular overlooks in the western North Carolina area, right off the Blue Ridge Parkway, in a bid to celebrate my birthday. I turned 36 years old today, and what a way to do it. Get outside and make it a great day. Catch you next time.